Hello again, it is me, and I'm here to help you with some math problems. Right now we are going to work on subtraction. I call it making a difference in a good way. I call it that because the answer to any subtraction problem is called the difference. I have some helpful tips to make it easier for you. So tip number 1, stack vertically and align the digits from right to left. So the 1 digit is aligned with the 1's digit. The 10 digits are aligned with the other 10 digits, and like that. Tip number 2. If one number has more digits than the other number, then we can set a 0 in the empty spot as a placeholder. That way everything stays aligned. And tip number 3. Subtract top to bottom from right to left. So my top right side number is 5, and if I say 5 minus 4, I get 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So the difference in 15 and 4 is 11. That is my answer. Let's do another problem. I have the number 135, and I am subtracting 76. I want to find the difference. My right side is lined up. My 10 digits are lined up. I am missing a number with my 76, so I will put in a 0 as a placeholder. Now you will notice that the top number, when I subtract the bottom number, is smaller than the bottom number. So I have a tip for that. It says, if the bottom number is greater than the number above it, then we need to add 10 to the top number and take 1 away from the top number to the left. So 10 plus 5 is 15. If I take 1 away from 3, I get a 2. So now I no longer have to deal with those two numbers. I can say 15 minus 6, that is 9. 2 minus 7 is not going to work because 2 is smaller than 7. So I must take 1 away from this number and add 10 to this number. So 2 plus 10 is 12. If I take 1 away from 1, I get 0. 12 minus 7 is 5. This 1 is now gone because it became a 0. So my numbers starting out 135 minus 76 is 59. I will lighten these back up just so they look better. Let's do one more problem. This one has an extra digit. I have 1,357 minus 678. I am lined up on the right side. I've lined up vertically, one number below or above the other, and here I am missing one. So I will put in a 0 as a placeholder. And just like before, my top number is smaller than my bottom number below it. So I will add 10. So that 7 becomes 17. But I must take 1 away from that 5, which now becomes 4. If I'm looking vertically, that 4 is smaller than this 7, so I must add 10. That becomes 14. I take 1 away from this 3, and that now becomes 2. 2 is smaller than 6, so I must add 10. Which means I must take 1 away from this number, which gives me 0. So now all of these numbers I can erase away. I can now say 17 minus 8 and get 9. 14 minus 7 and get 7. 12 minus 6 and get 6. 0 minus 0 is 0, so I do not need to write it. So my numbers, and I will make them show again, 1,357 minus 678 is 679. I hope this tutorial video will help some of you make solving problems with subtraction a little bit easier. Thank you for watching.